Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have another earwax extraction video for you. So this gentleman's come through with a little bit of discomfort in the ears, reduced hearing. As you can see, there's quite a hard block of wax in here. So we're using the standard size Zollner tube first of all, just to see if we can loosen this bit of wax. You can see around the outside edge as I'm moving it, the olive oil that's been put in by this gent, just squishing against the canal wall there. What we're trying to do is just try to rock this, see if we can get a little bit of movement to this piece of wax. So not really budging with the Zollner, so we're going to go in now with the Jobson horn. Just putting some gentle steady pressure on top of this wax. You can see just how thick and hardened up the outer part of the wax is, and the centre is also quite sticky and thick. See just how the Jobson horn is flicking out, so we're just trying to get behind and into a nice grip in the centre of the wax if possible, so we can bring this forward. Sometimes we're lucky and that will bring the whole thing out in one go. Little pieces breaking away. You can see how dry parts of this wax are. So the outer part of the wax is quite hardened up, so it's almost got a hard shell and a soft core in the centre. I'm trying my best to get a grip in here. You can see how dark that wax is as well. Always got to be really cautious when we're removing large lumps like this, just taking it away from the canal wall, which will help to do two things. It will stop the wax from sticking, but it will also help to make it a lot more comfortable for the patient to have it removed. See, the front end of this wax is just starting to come away. Try not to touch the canal walls if we can, because they are really sensitive. You can see just how hardened up this wax has become now the deeper we get. Getting a little bit of leverage. I'm hoping by doing it this way that we're going to take quite a large chunk away, but you can see it's just crumbling away in pieces. So now we've taken the centre away, we can collapse the sides in just to make it a bit more comfortable. What the patient feels when using a Jobson horn, I always tell patients they'll feel a little bit of downward pressure. They may feel the odd bit of mild pinching or mild scratching. So obviously this is quite a large piece of wax that has to move down the canal. So not going in too deep with the Jobson horn, because we're coming to what looks like it might be the back end of this wax. We can tell that just by the anatomical features of the canal as we're going in. You can see it's just starting to give a little bit around the edges. Still crumbling away. A little bit of olive oil put in now just to see if we can loosen this wax to help it slide a bit more along the canal. Olive oil will help to lubricate the canal wall. It gets down the side of the wax, so it does help to bring it out if we've got a particularly stubborn bit. There we go. And we can see the eardrum behind, a little bit of redness there where that wax has been rubbing. The eardrum itself looks really healthy. So this is what we removed. This is obviously the last section here to the right hand side. That was the largest piece of wax. That was the last piece that we took out, but all the rest is the crumbly bits in front of it. And there's the Jobson horn, so you can see the size of that. As always guys, if you did enjoy the video and you're not subscribed already, then click the subscribe button, click the little bell to alert you to any new notifications that come up. New videos come up on our channel every Tuesday and Friday. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them into the comment section below. If we get a lot of people asking the same question, we'll pop a video on just to explain that for you. And as always guys, take care.